Hey guys, it's Kelley Mandolins back again. I got a little flat top mandolin that I've got strung up in the white. It's got a flat fingerboard, Sitka spruce top, round sound hole. It's got ladder bracing and curly maple. Back and sides, it's kind of hard to see there. There's the neck, three-piece neck. I've got some old Elite tuners that Gibbs Stu Mac came out with before they changed it to the golden age. But anyway, I think it'd be a good little mandolin for sitting around picking, take it to the campground, to a festival, sit around and just play with a guitar. But anyway, it's pretty loud. Not too bad a chop. It's not much of one, but it's not bad for a flat top mandolin. But anyway, I'll try to play something else, give you an idea how it sounds. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.